This training gives an overview of the Conversation Guide Content Editor toolbar. The quick reference guide goes into more detail and explains the terminology, but by hovering over the icons you can see a brief description. What we're going to do here is just show you the basic operation. So we're going to add topic group. Just wait till the 4 arrows appear. You can add a topic group and then you can change the focus to that group. You can add multiple topics. Once you've added topics, you can add options to those different topics. If at some point you decide you want to delete an option, you can move it back there into the delete bin. You can drag an entire topic group to the delete bin. Once you've done that, you can undo that. You can see the last 5 actions, so you can undo the topic group delete, and then you can undo the option delete as well. You can also redo that delete and clear the undo entries at any point in time. Topic group icons, just simply change the icons displayed. We've also opened up a new topic group to illustrate the different topic types. So here is a single choice, which is already deployed. Here's a slider, which is the same as a single choice, but just displayed differently. Here's a numeric slider. Here's a number. Here's a multi-choice or multi-select. We also have a date and a note. And then finally a user gesture. And a user gesture will just simply record a dialogue on a click or a hover. If you choose you don't want the hover, you can remove that. You can also add it back using that toolbar there. Topic icons just allow you to call out specific information that might be interesting using an icon. Colors, reply colors, just allow you to change the options. You might have, red, but we already got that, gray and green. And then if you want to add or change one of these options to be a pick list, you can add options and they will just display once this option 3 is selected. You can also refer to a pick list that exists in Salesforce. Just type the object. You might have an industry pick list or something. It will read directly from the object in Salesforce. You can also designate a topic group to be a user setting group. We'll talk more about that, but that's a powerful way of changing the user interface or allowing the user to. And then there's a couple of other options here. One to make sure that a reply does not persist. This maybe when you're logging a task, etc. And this also you drag to the topic group to ensure that when you click on this topic group, everything else auto collapses. And then lastly, there's tools. So this is the way to add a filter. You simply click on the filter box shows. You can drag in and enter a filter here. You can do the same for a profile. This is the way that you can select different profiles. And then lastly, you can also add triggers, and this is the way you can add a trigger. And then once you're in the trigger, this is how you can add values to the trigger. And again, all of this can be dragged to the delete bin at any time. Thanks for listening.